What's the meaning of bookmobile? Bookmobile. Bookmobile.
Bookmobile. Bookmobile. A bookmobile is a mobile library that provides books and other educational materials to people who cannot easily access a traditional library. It typically operates in areas with limited access to stationary libraries, such as rural or underserved communities. The bookmobile often visits schools, community centers, and other public locations on a regular basis to provide reading materials and various other services, such as internet access and educational programs. Bookmobiles have played an important role in promoting literacy and education worldwide and continue to be a valuable resource for many communities.